Okay, today we are talking about how to patch a damaged concrete sidewalk. So you can see the condition of this 40-year-old sidewalk here in Colorado from the freeze and thaw cycles and the de-icer and the salt over the years has done a lot of damage. So we're going to patch these bad areas. Obviously the best way to do it would be to saw cut this out and re-pour a new section. However, we're going to use this fast setting cement patcher, 20-pound bucket, good for interior, exterior repairs, horizontal or vertical, 5,000 psi, 1/4 inch to 2 inch thickness. You can walk on it in 4 hours, drive on it in 24 hours. I've had good luck with this product. Easy to mix, easy to apply. Haven't seen it crack yet. We're also going to use this concrete bonding adhesive. You can mix a little bit into the mix. I also apply some of it around the perimeter and the bottom of the damaged concrete area to, again, help with the adhesive or the adhesion of the old concrete to the new concrete. Woo! So first I clean and prep the area. And again, you can see all around the perimeter where I've applied that bonding adhesive. Just using a simple trowel, 1 5-gallon bucket to mix the concrete and water, another 5-gallon bucket of clean water for cleaning my tools as I work, and a spray bottle to spray the area down with some water, a chip brush, gloves. Now with the area all clean, we'll go ahead and mix up a batch of the concrete repair mix. It's fairly fast setting, so once you mix it, you want to go ahead and dump it into your area and use it right away. Here's what the finished product looks like.
Wow.
Again, it dries fast. I sprayed it down with my water and my spray bottle. And here's sort of the color it dries to once it's all dry. This was another patch. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.